a table with some data missing as well as some information is given here. Let us try to understand the given information. It has mentioned that ABC Limited sends a number of its employees for training every year. The training has 5 levels: administration, management, quality, operations, relationship. These levels of training can be done in any order, and all employees need not be trained in all the levels. These are the 5 levels. The following table gives some information about the cost of training employees in the different level. Cost of training employees in different level, not necessarily in any order. Training cost. Following information is known about the employee training during the given year at employee training at 5 levels. The average cost of training one employee. Average cost of training one employee was rupees 31.62, considering the cost of all the 5 levels. Cost of all the 5 levels. The number of employees trained in quality was 250 more. 250 more than the number of employees trained in operation. Okay. Quality is 250 more than the number of employees in operation. The cost per employee for which was the second lowest. That means the operation 250 more than the number of employee in operation. The cost per employee for which was the second lowest. That means operation second lowest. Cost per employee. Okay. So cost per employee second lowest. That means if I try to get these one, the order means cost per employee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 levels. Second lowest level, if I take the top level, this is the second lowest level. So the cost per employee for which was the second lowest, that is the operation. It was operation, department operation. And the number of employee trained in quality was 250 more than the number of employee trained in operation. Number of employee in quality is 250 more than the number of employee in operation. Okay. You can find different cost. Operation, sorry. So just shifted operation so that we can keep the data here. Next point, the cost per employee was the third highest for a relationship, and the total cost for quality was not greater than 65,000. Third highest relationship. So this one would be relationship. Third highest. And the total cost for quality was total cost for quality. Quality, we don't know that where, but total cost for quality was not greater than 65,000. Cost per employee for management was less than that of relationship. So relationship less, if I do, so management was less than relationship means it should be here. Management part would be fifth one because it was less. Cost per employee for quality was not less than rupees 35. So quality either 1 or 2 and not less than rupees 35. Cost for quality. Now we can see that after division, because here total number of employee given and total training cost given. So if I divide it, I can find training per employee will be 41. Similarly, for this one, third row, it would be 41,400. Now, it was also mentioned. So you can see that here, it is also mentioned that quality was not greater than 65,000. But 65,001 data, it is present where it may be quality, but it is not quality. Because it cannot be quality. It is more than 65,000. So due to that reason, also as per quality, it is mentioned that quality was not less than 35. So it may be 37 or 41. So either this is the quality or this is the quality. So our record, we can find it out. The third would be relationship, fourth will be operation, fifth will be management. Quality, it would be within 1 and 2, and the data, whatever available, that I can write like that. So now quality in our these particular columns, if I check it out, I know that quality cannot be 60, quality cannot be this fourth row, as 65,100 is the cost. So your quality cannot be this one. Similarly, this is 23, this is 27. Quality cannot be here, cannot be here. Quality is among first two. Let our first case, let quality is this. Number one is quality. Now, if I check, quality was 250 more than the number of employee of operation. So at that time, quality number, it is more than 250 more than the number of employee in operation. And operation, it is as last two, it can be within this value of 4 and 5. This is also possible. The third and 5, 4 is also possible. Now, if I have taken quality is 37, then we know that quality was, the total cost of quality is not more than 65,000. then I can consider maximum number of employee in quality. That would be 65,000, that divided by 37, which is coming as, calculate after that, 1756. Now the 1756, if it is the number of quality, then operation cannot be 3 as per the column wise. The third column it cannot be, because it is 1800. And I know that quality is 250 more than the operation. Also, operation cannot be these 1540 because it is 41. Operation need to be last two, among last two. So operation, there are two possibility, either the fourth row or fifth row operation may be. Now I will take, if operation is fourth row, that means this one, then what happened? Operation number, let us assume the number I have taken, this is the fourth row is the operation, and it is D. If it is D, then our quality number will be D plus 250. At the time we will go on calculating these value of average, because average is given as 31.62, 31.62 total average. And if I go like that, I can find it out that D, it is not at that time at the lower level, it would be much higher. It would at the time, calculations will give you these one as more than 50. So definitely these cannot be. So our operation fourth row is not allowed. Then operation is fifth row. By this way, we have to go on checking. If operation is fifth row, then what I will take, it is not D, I will consider at the time the 1400, and it is the operation. If I take it, and this is the quality, then 1400 plus 250, 1650, it would be this data. Okay. And at the time, whatever the variable, if I take this variable as D, and finally 31.62, means that number into D, this is total average 31.62, and 31.62 is 37 into that divide plus 41 into that. In this way, this product that divided by total number, and we can make calculations, and finally D value I will be able to get. And that time D value it will satisfy, and I can find it would be nothing but, after calculation, all calculation, it will appear as 2100. That time it would come as 31 and satisfy all of these segment. But quality, if I take 2, we will be able to see that that satisfaction is not possible for any one of fourth and fifth column. If I take for fourth and fifth row, if I take, it will not satisfy, because this is a big calculation, so you can fit and you can check it out. Finally, I can say that this quality will be this 37 cost per employee, operation 1400, and it is the second last. Management fifth will be here. So management is that a relation is coming as a relationship is coming as this third one, and the pending one, it would be here. Another whatever group it is present, that would be here. And with that, I can attempt to answer the questions. So let us go for question. Now we can see our questions. First question, how many employees were trained in quality during the given year? We have already calculated 1650 is the number of employee. Again, these one with these options also we can try to solve these one, because quality number it is given and quality is the determining factor to find the entire group. Now second question, for which level was the total training cost the highest during the given year? Total cost in quality also after product, it is coming as 61,050. So our answer for these one, for which level was the total training cost the highest during the given year? Total training cost highest in the given year was a relationship. So the answer for this is option B, relationship. Third question, what is the total number of employees trained in all the 5 levels during the given year? Total number of employees, if I add it up, these all, it is coming as 8490. Here our addition is actually 1650, 1540, 1800, 2100 and 1400. Finally, it is 8490. So 8490, and the fourth question, what was the total cost of employee training the given year? And if all of them I add, I will be able to find it would be 2,68,490. Option A would be our answer. So basically finding that different value, and after divisions, after satisfying the average, and with some logic, we can solve these important set.